Hi, once again, it's Mike from TechMyMoney.com. This is the M650, a brand new dual-channel wireless microphone system from Ankerwork. The first thing you will notice about this mic system is its premium feel. It can be felt from the engraved logo on the charging case, the build quality, and the gold accent on the case and transmitters. The transmitter covers are interchangeable, and there are 6 colors to choose from. As for the content of the box, you'll find your wireless microphone, 2 replaceable covers for the transmitters, 2 windscreen, an aux cable, USB-C cable, lightning adapter, USB-C adapter, and a travel case. Both transmitters weigh about 30 grams, and they have 6 hours of battery life each. The microphones are located on top of the device. There's an optional port for plugging a wired lavalier microphone, or you can use the same port to attach your windscreen that comes with the M650. The transmitters come with magnetic clips, so you can mount the mic creatively. This clip can rotate, giving you the options to face the mic in the direction of the speaker. Ankerwork's placing of the indication light on the side of the transmitter is a plus for me. The only physical button on the transmitter is for muting and unmuting the mic. The receiver comes at 37 grams, and it has 6 hours of battery life. It comes with a touchscreen LCD for monitoring and modifying the settings on the M650. You'll find the 3.5mm and USB port on the left side of the device, while the multi-function button on the right side. The back of the receiver features the charging terminals and your iOS and Android adapter terminals too. The addition of these adapters simply means that the whole system is compatible with your camera, phones, and computer, so it's very versatile. The charging case packs a 2600 mAh rechargeable battery that gives you additional 15 hours when fully charged. The maximum transmission distance for the Anker M650 is 200 meters. This gives you enough range for any creative shots you have in mind. The M650 comes with 7 hours of built-in internal storage, giving you the option to record an extra audio track in your transmitter to serve as a backup in case something goes wrong. The Ankerwork app is needed to access files, fine-tune the settings of your unit, and update the firmware. One of the most interesting features of the Ankerwork M650 is its AI voice shield noise reduction that is designed to focus on human voice and eliminate or reduce the amount of noise that is being heard in the background. This feature works so well that even with loud music blasted next to you, it would do a decent job isolating your voice. You have 3 different noise reduction levels to choose from. You can either turn it off or set it at low or high. The versatility of the M650 is what makes it a win for me. You can use this mic on your computer or your phone for Zoom calls or for better audio by just plugging it to the device of your choice, and you don't have to deal with cables. Overall, if you're looking for a professional level dual channel wireless microphone system with a ton of features, the Anker M650 sure meets the criteria. I'd like to let you guys know that the whole audio for this video was recorded using the M650 transmitter. Once again, it's Mike from TechMyMoney.com. Thanks for watching.